Hello friends, after completing our expression of future time using will, we have the next step in expression of future time, that is future continuous tense. So as usual, we will start with the form. We have form, distribution, negative today. And the remaining we will do afterwards. So form will be plus present participle. This is the form. That means will be going, will be eating. See, present participle ing. Will be running, ing. Will be sleeping. So this is the form. Will be plus ing. It will be raining tomorrow. She will be dancing tomorrow. For some time tomorrow. That is. He will be speaking for 5 hours. He will be speaking. They will be playing chess. They will be playing chess. The sun will be shining. The sun will be shining. It will be raining. I think I already told you that. Yes. And you have other examples. They will be farming. They will be farming. Yes. And it will be snowing tomorrow. It will be snowing. So these are examples. They will be milking the cow. Milking. Will be milking. So will be plus ing. Now distribution, it's very simple. You know, you can distribute it to only 6 places. I, then you, he, she, it, isn't it? We, you, they. You know, he, she, it stands for all the singular nouns in the world, and they, all the plural nouns, third person. These things you have already done. So there's no difference. I will be, you will be, she, he, she, it will be, we will be, you will be, and they will be. Plus you can add any ing form. You can say I will be playing, you will be playing, she will be playing, it will be playing, cat will be playing, we will be playing, you will be playing, and they will be playing, people will be playing, students will be playing, boys will be playing, girls will be playing, women will be playing, men will be playing, cats will be playing, dogs will be playing. What more you want? Monkeys will be playing, animals will be playing, like that. That is they. He, she, it, you have boy will be playing, girl will be playing, she will be playing, then man will be playing, boy will be playing, father will be playing, mother will be playing, my brother will be playing, my sister will be playing, all those. Understand? That is very simple. Now negative, so this is form. One is form, step 1. Step 2 is distribution. As we can see there are only 6 places where we can distribute. And then you have third point is negative. And negative is, see, will not be. Will not be playing. And its short form will be won't be. Won't be playing. That's all. Will not be playing. Short form or the contracted form is won't be playing. And so you can see like this. I won't be playing, you won't be playing, he won't be playing, she won't be playing, it won't be playing, we won't be playing, you won't be playing, they won't be playing. So simple. They won't be eating, they won't be going, they won't be eating, they won't be running, I won't be sleeping. That's all. Very simple. So 3 points we have done today, but 3 steps, so to say. Like any other tense, this is the way that we discuss. First you have the form, second you have the distribution, and third you have the negative. So tomorrow we will do an exercise based on this and continue further. Okay? So till then, bye. Have a nice time. You are enjoying my grammar classes, I think, and therefore you should share and subscribe. So till we meet again, bye. Have a nice time.